Sleep and Learn, 80. Surprising California Facts and Full History. Soft Pacific swells slide beneath a fog-silver moon. Far inland, a lone freight horn drifts across alfalfa plains. Welcome to California, the Golden State, a 900-mile shoreline stitched to granite peaks and desert basins, where redwoods sip sea mist that was vapor over the Ming Dynasty and silicon wafers whisper instructions to half the planet's pockets. Close your eyes, breathe, and let 80 crisp facts glide past like a warm tide. Long before mission bells or Hollywood spotlights, more than 300,000 indigenous people flourished here in over 100 languages. Chumash Tomol canoes crossed the Santa Barbara Channel. Yokuts baskets boiled acorn mush with hot stones. Miwok traders hiked what would become Highway 49. Kumeyaay coaxed melons from desert floodplains. By the time Juan Rodriguez Cabrillo charted Alta California in 1542, this coast already held the densest linguistic mosaic in North America. 2 centuries later, Father Junipero Serra raised adobe walls at San Diego de Alcalá, the first of 21 missions along El Camino Real. Those missions left sun-bleached arches that still perfume postcards and a demographic catastrophe that slashed native population 90% within 100 years. Mexico gained the territory in 1821. Vast ranchos fanned out beneath hide and tallow fortunes. Then, January 24, 1848, James Marshall spotted gold flecks in Sutter's Mill Race near Coloma. Within a year, 90,000 fortune hunters stampeded west by ship, wagon, and mule. In just 7 years, the Sierra coughed up $600 million in yellow metal, seeding banks, telegraphs, and railroad dreams across America. Statehood followed at lightning speed. September 9, 1850, California entered the Union free of slavery, yet balanced by the harsh new Fugitive Slave Act that shook the Republic. From that day forward, the state raced on 2 rails, breathtaking opportunity and sharpening fault lines, both geological and social. Picture the map. Latitude 32 degrees north at the Imperial Dunes, up to 42 where Douglas firs sip Oregon rain. Longitude 114, west beside the Colorado River, out to 124 at Cape Mendocino, flirting with the abyssal Pacific. Land area 163,000 square miles, larger than Germany, hosting every North American biome except tundra. Mount Whitney climbs 14,505 feet. Death Valley's Badwater Basin sinks 282 feet below sea level, a mere 90-mile line of sight between summit snow and salt pan heat. Furnace Creek recorded Earth's hottest verified temperature, 134 degrees Fahrenheit in 1913, while Boca hit minus 45 degrees Fahrenheit in 1937. Bull Run on the North Coast drinks 140 inches of rain each year. Imperial Valley survives on 2. Population hovers near 39 million, more people than Canada. 40% identify Hispanic or Latino, 35% non-Hispanic white, 15% Asian, 6% Black, with over 200 languages echoing in school hallways. Los Angeles County alone would rank as the 10th largest U.S. state by head count. Economically, California's $3.9 trillion GDP would sit 5th worldwide, snug between Germany and India. Silicon Valley funnels 1/5 of global venture capital, chips in Santa Clara, cloud in Mountain View, phones in Cupertino, rockets in Hawthorne, AI clusters gulping 100 megawatts at a time. Yet agriculture still rules the acreage. 77,000 farms, pump $57 billion at the gate: almonds, grapes, lettuce, dairy, citrus, while Hollywood exports narrative harvests to 190 countries. Innovation sparks like a timeline of flashbulbs. 1869, Sacramento rails reach promontory. 1942, plutonium technique debugged at UC Berkeley. 1969, ARPANET's first LO packet jumps UCLA to Stanford. 1977, Apple II. 1995, Netscape. 2023, net positive fusion at Livermore Lasers. Nature balances the ledger. Giant sequoias tower, 30 stories. Bristlecone pines in the White Mountains germinated before Egypt's pyramids. Gray whales migrate 10,000 miles along the coast. Monarch butterflies overwinter in Pacific Grove groves, their wing beats like soft rain on eucalyptus leaves. Disaster memories crease the landscape. 1906, San Francisco quake, 7.9. 1989, Loma Prieta during the World Series. 2018, Campfire, erasing paradise. Each tragedy tightens building codes and fuels new resilience tech. Still, the Santa Anas return. Chaparral crackles, and 5 of 6 largest wildfires in state history all burned in 2020. Culture radiates outward in waves. Gold Rush ragtime to Bakersfield honky-tonk, to surf rock, to Laurel Canyon folk, to Compton hip-hop, to Bay Area hi-fi, to K-pop nights at the Rose Bowl. Prop 13 froze property taxes in 1978. Prop 215 legalized medical cannabis in 1996. SB 100 mandates 100% clean electricity by 2045. Quirky laws linger. Carmel once required a permit for high heels. Chico fines $500 for detonating a nuclear device within city limits. Fresno limits water balloon diameter to 3 inches without a parade license. Numbers to lull the mind. 11,000 miles of aqueducts, 8 national parks, 3 million rooftop solar arrays, 20 million avocado halves eaten statewide each Taco Tuesday. Let each fact settle like sea fog on coastal sage until breathing slows. Night deepens over Big Sur. Foghorns moan off Point Bonita. Coyotes yip in Hollywood Hills. Data centers hum in Santa Clara. California's vast heart keeps counting. Grapes swelling in Napa fog. Satellites beaming over Mojave antennas. Condors wheeling on Sierra thermals. Long after your screen dims. Join the Smart Movers Club, a weekly newsletter for smart relocation and investment opportunities across America. You'll be smarter by Sunday. Get the inside scoop on what to know, where to go, and what $100,000 buys you. Plus, 10 gems on wealth, health, and happiness every week. Visit strizzyreport.com and try it free. The link is in the pinned comment below.